I am giving a workshop about my experience of going from below average performance to greatly exceeds performance in Facebook. I'm giving that workshop next week. And many people have asked me about a few things that really helped me and that are helping my clients now about how to improve performance. And one of the time-tested approach is to do the impactful work. Now, by impactful work, I don't mean what you think to be the impactful work. It is about understanding what the goals are from the manager, from the skip level manager, and what the expectations of your role are. And then regularly communicate with your manager, your peers, your dotted line management or skip level management to understand the context of your work. Where exactly does your work fit in the larger theme of the organization? And then as you are doing your work, also get the feedback about changing priorities, impact of your work, quality of your work. Because things are very dynamic in workplace nowadays. So you want to get that feedback bi-weekly, if not weekly. Ideally, every week you want to get a piece of feedback and then work on a small section of it. In the next week, report back and keep improving on the impact your work creates. So yes, it is about doing the impactful work, but it is not about doing the work that you think is impactful, but it is about doing the work that is actually impactful in the organization. That is one of the 9 ways I will share in my workshop about how to turbo boost your performance at work. You can sign up for the workshop in the details below or by subscribing to my channel.